down. You gotta hear the noise. It's a V10.
You want me to rip it in here? Or no?
A little.
I won't.
Just do a little, guy.
I won't.
No, just like don't. Just shift high so she can kind of hear.
It sounds like a Ferrari.
You're gonna, Mom, get ready for the shift. Like it feels like a Lamborghini shift.
Okay, Ryan.
Sorry.
How much does this baby cost?
Give my Phil's around.
How much?
Sorry, hold on.
Like 30, 32 he got it for.
Redline it?
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
God. This thing is fucking amazing.
This is the car I wanted you to get.
Oh my God.
It's got 500 horse.
Drive it
Yeah,
like
you
that.
would. It's easy. You just got to get the hang of it. It's